Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! It's me again, Just a Story lamang po. Ayan, for today's video ay tada! Meron po akong 10-in-1 air fryer. Ayan, so mag-unbox po ako ng aking 10-in-1 air fryer toaster oven. So this one guys ay almost 1 month na nakaset dito sa bahay. Hindi ko pa nabubuksan. Binili ng husband ko. So, we had before the 7-in-1 air fryer. The old one we had. And now, we had the latest 10-in-1 air fryer. So, I don't know what is the difference from the 7-in-1 to 10-in-1 air fryer. So, let's check it out. Ayan, so ito guys, hindi ko pa nabuksan, so let's try and see. Air fryer is more healthier sa inyo, sa atin, if we're trying to avoid some oily food. So we need the air fryer. Healthier. Ayan, so ito guys. So, yun na nga. Medyo mataas. Ayan. So, adjust ko yung aking camera. So, this one. So, yung tingnan natin muna yung kanyang booklet or manual guide. So, kung gagawa kayo ng inyong lulutuin, meron tayo ditong recipes. Ayan. May recipes na siya kasama. So, if you want to try some different kind of recipes, you can look in the recipe book. So, yun guys. Then, also the manual how to use the air fryer. This is the manual guide how to use the air fryer. So since I know how to use it because we have the old one, 7-in-1, so I think it's the same. Ayan guys. This is for if you're making like lechon or chicken rotisserie. Ayan. We have this. So we have like soup lang. If you're making a chicken, a whole chicken, gawin mong lechon. Ayan, make it tuhog-tuhog. Ayan. Tuhog-tuhog in the Filipino way. So, we have this. So, lalagay natin dito yung ating chicken. Then, ito ay iikot-ikot sa ating air fryer. Ayan. Try to unbox. This one is bigger one than 7-in-1. Mas malaki siya. Mas malaking air fryer. Oh my goodness. So, the brand is CROWNFUL air fryer. Since hindi ko kayang buhatin, lagay ko siya sa mababa. Oh my goodness! Ano yung asawa ko? Ako nagbuhat. Parang mini refrigerator. Sobrang bigat. My goodness. Ayan. So yan guys, i-focus ko na lang. So this is one. Okay. So, I think, yeah, similar sa aming old one na air fryer. Okay, so this is ating brand new air fryer. And okay, and so we have this. Kung tayo ay like magluluto na. It's hard to pull it out. Oh no, I broke my finger now. That's not. Oh, it's a pain. So this one, if you're making you want a fried rice. No, French fries. If you wanna make French fries, you can put it here. Ang French fries at paikot-ikotin lamang po sa inyong air fryer. This is very convenient to use. Our trays. We have like 2 trays and the lower. This one is sa baba para just in case may oil or mag-leak ang oil, meron tayong pansala or I feel like this is little smaller than our 7-in-1 air fryer. I think the other one we had is higher than it's taller than this one, but this is 7-in-1, so you can make more than what you wanted. So this is all about air fryer. Guys, we have to put all of this back in there. So this is the lid. So yun guys, this is like unboxing for today. So I don't have plan to make a food for the air fryer, but it's easy to use, very convenient ang pagluluto or paggamit ng air fryer, unlike sa oven. Kasi yung oven marami pang chichibureche. So ayan, so kung gusto mo ng madali ang pagluluto, you can use the air fryer, and this is more healthier than using the oven na. So, kasi ito is the-dried lang yung mga niluluto mo. Food without grease. So, ayan. So, maraming mga tao gusto nilang gumamit ng air fryer. They love it because it's more healthier to us to use the air fryer. Because we're not using oil. We don't need to use the oil. Especially if we're making like some of the greasy stuff. Mostly pagka oven medyo mag-greasy, right? Maraming langis-langis or ma-oily yung food. But this one, if you have to use the air fryer, it's better for us. Kasi wala siyang langis or hindi siya ma-oil. So, some people like it, love it. And very convenient to use. Easy to use and everything. Plus you have the manual guide. And then you can also a lot of recipe that you can use in the like food in this air fryer. Okay, so yun guys. If you wanna buy a air fryer, you can buy the latest one, which is the 10-in-1 air fryer. So my brand is CROWNFUL. I don't know CROWNFUL. So my husband bought this one for me. And now I just opened the box because it's been a month sitting in our storage. Hindi ko pa nabuksan. So yun guys. So by this time, yan, nabuksan ko na. So that's it. Ayan, thank you for watching guys. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung aking small or like vlog today. Ayan. So next time I'll make some food in the air fryer to try it. But for now it's an unboxing. Ayan. If you wanna buy, and then you can go to some Costco. So yan guys. That's it for today. My unboxing. The latest 10-in-1 air fryer. Okay, so if you want to buy the air fryer, excuse me, if you want to buy air fryer, you can check it out in Amazon, or you can buy also in Costco. Some other stores, they have a lot of air fryers or electronics. But in the Philippines, maybe in some of the mall, in the mall you can find it too. But for me, this is fine. This is good. So just try it. And thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Jessie Story. And then please like and subscribe my channel, guys. And then thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video.